What's up, guys? Today we have four cargo van. I think it's a Econoline, like E150. No, yeah, something like that. Well, the thing is, we're gonna replace the factory radio for double N. We got everything like not this one, but we got the mounting kit, we got the connections and everything. To remove this one is pretty easy. If you have like a Lincoln, Mercury, a Ford, or Mazda, and your radio, your factory radio has these holes on the side, you're gonna need something like this. You can buy these, like in AutoZone or online. I got them at Walmart, which is just like $5, I think. They give you this ones, and some cars need this ones right here. These ones, as far as I know, you can use these ones for different cars like Volkswagens and I think BMWs or something like that. But in this case, we're gonna use this right here. If you don't want to use these ones, you don't want to buy them, or your store doesn't have them, you can get one of those wire hangers from the closet, and you just cut like two pieces like this long, make like a U. Well, in this case you need two of them like this, and you only have to put them right here. Simple, just like that. You push it all the way in, move it a little bit right there, and now this one, push it, and now you have to pull the radio. See? Let's see. Okay, just like that. Because you got some clips over here, and what these does is just push it in, pop the clip, and you just pull it, come right out. Take this one right here. Let's see. Can do that. And then this one. That's it. That's the factory radio. And then after that, you use your aftermarket mounting bracket. Your plug, so that way you don't have to cut this one. And that's it on your radio. Alright, guys, any questions, just let me know. If you got any comment, you want to know something special, just let me know. I got this van over here, so I can tell you whatever you need about it. Like, I don't know, windows, motor, transmission, whatever you need about this van, I can tell you, make a video of it. Just let me know. Alright, thank you, guys. Subscribe, share, comment, and please like the video. Alright.